In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram message requests if they are not showing. First, launch open the Instagram app. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on this messages icon. If you do not find the request here, you want to tap on the request section. Go ahead and tap on it. Here, check if your message requests are there. If you don't see any request, go back to your profile. Tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. It will bring you to settings and activity. Here, find the option of messages and story replies. Select that. Now tap on message request. Make sure that under who can send you message request you have selected everyone. If you have selected no one, then no one will be able to send you any message requests. So make sure that you set that to everyone. Next, if you want people to add you to group chat, then select everyone over here as well. Scroll down and find the option of hide unwanted message request. If this option is toggled on, then that might also be the reason why you are not able to find any message request. Toggle this option off. Now head back, then completely close the Instagram app. Next, long press on the Instagram app and tap on the app info icon. Here, scroll down and tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache. You also want to make sure that you're using the latest version of Instagram app. For that, launch open Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar and here search Instagram. Go ahead and tap on the update option. Once that is done, open Instagram and now you should be able to receive all the Instagram message requests. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.